The warranty was a big factor. Some of the other companies, as I said, I've read some pretty bad stories about. First of all, in taking weeks to get back to you for any issues with either the inverter or the panels. And sometimes those companies disappear and you're stuck with a system which may be $3,500 to install, but the actual fixes probably be in the hundreds of thousands to fix the problem, and that's not a headache I want to face in the future. I want to know that this system is going to be good for that period of time. I did a lot of research again with the companies that did installations. Some of the companies were fairly new to the market, and especially the ones that advertise in the papers. I have read also a lot about them rebranding, renaming their companies to avoid future claims of warranty, and therefore basically voiding your warranty. I do a lot of research before I make a decision, and I don't regret any decisions I make because they are well researched. When I purchase items, especially electrical items, I go for the quality. And when it came to solar panels, I wanted to do the same. I wanted something that was going to last, and the backup and service from the installers with confidence in that it was going to be safe and lasting.